Hi everyone, we got ourselves fresh to the floor 2026 Pan America ST. Man, these things are fun. Dual disc front, we got the Brembo monoblocks, LED headlight, LED turn signals. They got new graphics this year. Love that. It says a 1250 Revolution Max motor. These things are putting out 150 horsepower. Did the red accents this year, and then they added the new fins on the motor. Super sweet. Got heated grips. You can Bluetooth your phone directly to that gauge as well and have all your media controls right here. So you do have different ride modes and traction control, ABS, security, has cruise as well, and then your ride mode button right there. So you have rain mode, road mode, sport mode, and then a couple other fun modes on this one too. The STs were set up, they're the street versions, so these ones got a little bit lower suspension um, to accommodate the street versus being an adventure tour bike and being sitting up so high. This one does also have the adaptive ride height too, so it will drop down. So you got a lower seat and lower suspension, and then they did the smaller wheels to help with handling too. So definitely come on down and check it out. We're at Vandervest Harley-Davidson, 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.